Hi students, so let's continue. So we were seeing the application hide and unhide. So now how can we unhide or hide a column? Suppose you want to unhide this column B. So you have to just select the column B, select right click, and you have this hide and unhide option. So you can just do this hide. Now this B column is hidden between A and C. So what you have to do is you have to select both A and C, and then you have to right click and select and hide your the hidden column B will reappear. Right? So this is how we can hide and unhide a column. Now the next is autofit. Now suppose by chance you had initially created a column which is the data, but since the data is huge, it is looking like this, right? So here you can use the property called autofit. So you can autofit the data so that it looks perfectly fit into the cell. So for that you have to go to the home and you have to select under the format as table, uh, not exactly under format, you have to select the auto fit column width, and what will you see that it has auto fit. Okay, so now since I didn't select completely, it is appearing like this. So do like select the entire column and then you go and give auto fit column, so all these will be correctly auto fit into the column. Okay, now suppose it overlaps and one of your row is not properly placed, so it is not auto fit, right? It is overlapped somewhere. So what you can do is you just can go to the home, and again under format option you can see this auto fit row height, and it is just fit exactly. So this is also one of the formatting uh, property available in Excel. Now, now we are going to see autofit. We have seen autofit, and then we have seen hide and unhide. Next topic which we are going to cover is how we can apply styles. Okay, we can apply styles to it. Okay, so now suppose you have made this data and you there are predetermined styles which are available in Excel. So if you here see here the cell styles are there. So you can apply any of these styles here. Okay, and if you want it to format as a table, these are already existing styles. Suppose I want it to look like this. Okay, so the name of this is green table, and I just select it, and the entire formatting is auto applied to my data. Okay, so this is called the cell style application. Okay, you can just apply to it. Now we are going to see the next topic, which is hiding and unhiding of a worksheet. Suppose you don't want to show this, this is the main data and you don't want anyone to modify the data. Okay, so what you can do is you can hide it. Okay, hide, and you can just show the data which is essential for the recipients to view. Now suppose while editing, while making the changes, you want the data back, right? So what you can do is you can just click on any of this and unhide option, then it will show that these are the unhide sheets and which hidden sheet you want to unhide. So there you can give the option as sample data and it will reappear. Okay, so this is how you can hide and unhide a worksheet. Now the next one is how can you protect the worksheet. This is the sample data. You don't want anybody to go and change the marks which is received by the students. Okay, so now you don't want anybody to edit it. So what you can do is you can go to the home, and in the home you can find this option as protect the sheets. Okay, here you can give a password 123 and you can give OK to it. Again, it will prompt you for re-entering the password. Please re-enter the password and click OK to it. Okay, now if anybody tries to change and it was tries to enter English, it will prompt you that the cell or the chart or the chart you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. To make any change or unprotect the sheet, you might be requested to enter a password. Okay, so it will not be possible for that person to edit any of the cell in these particular sheet. That person has to go there and he has to know the password. He has to go to the home under the format. He has to unprotect the sheet. It will prompt for the password. You have to enter the password, and then only it will allow you to change it. Okay, so this is how we use the formatting option, protect and unprotect. And this is where our chapter ends, and if you have any doubt you can drop a comment in your comment box.